We removed this old towel rail and replaced it with a new smart heated towel rail. Before fitting the replacement, we checked the existing electrical supply, mounting position and suitability for the new unit. I'll show you how we replaced it and the smart features included with the upgrade.
Hi, I'm Denise from Royal Installation, and today we're going to install a smart towel rail. You might ask yourself, why do you want a smart towel rail? Well, stay tuned and find out the benefits of it. Thank you.
Carefully unmount and disconnect the old towel rail. Disconnect the power from the socket. Remove the brackets to be able to take off the towel rail. If the brackets are too tight, use a drill to make things easier. Lift the towel rail off its brackets.
It's quite heavy. It's the same weight as the other one. Yeah, hopefully they can keep the plasterboard off the head. Yeah. The layout looks the same as what's here, but the new one, positioning. I think this one has got 4 instead of.
Mark the holes for the new brackets. Install the new brackets. Use a laser level to ensure that the towel rail is straight and aligned. Make sure to follow the instructions and guidelines written in the manual to ensure that you properly perform the installation. Install the smart thermostat in the new towel rail. This wirelessly controls the electric towel rail. You can use your mobile phone application to control the temperature and time duration. Connect the new smart towel rail to the fuse spur. Six benefits of installing a smart towel rail. 1. Low installation cost. Smart towel rail is easy to install. They have low installation costs, just like regular towel rail ones. 2. Convenient. From scheduling, remote control using apps, and quick heat setting. 3. Energy efficiency. It is designed to use energy only when you need it. 4. Scheduling. You can control the temperature and timing using an app. 5. Environmental. If you really care about the environment, you can contribute less pollution. It is environmentally friendly as they reduce energy waste. 6. Save money. It doesn't need to run all day, which really helps cut down your energy costs.